need to try a quick play first. What are you doing up there, broski? Thank you, I guess. I burped. Joined you. Excuse me? I'm such a good healer, bro. Streak right now.
Cosmos few humans will ever behold.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, my volume? Which one?
Left an onk.
Excuse me?
They're headed our way.
Oh my god. I got a headache. No. Me like money. Excuse me. We know, say some of the girls.
Always reassuring to have you with
This is how it all comes out that you hear.
5, 4,
Oh my god.
2.
Excuse me. So yeah, that was painful. Oh, they're getting mad at that Spider-Man. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're proper Northern in it? Yeah, in it. Excuse me. Excuse me again.
2, 1.
Excuse me. Wasn't in that bad, right? You got 8k healing. Good shit, good shit. What? That Punisher did not want to live, though. Hi, Galaxy. LB, seriously? Now I look stupid. Ever experienced getting a refund? Reference. No, yes, and I'm bald people. I should, you're right. Place for a quick rest. True. Oh my god.
Cosmic rays didn't make me who I am today. My family did.
Excuse me? That right now.
Team to win this one.
With me on the front lines.
Excuse me.
demons is where Gambit draws the line.
Oh my days. Excuse me. Excuse me. He's so goofy. Excuse me. Oh my god. I'll take it as a win. Real, we won. Excuse me. I blame our other tank. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, sorry. You can't die. I've already been here, but I can't dash up. Excuse me. Bug, that's what I think about the bug. Yeah, give me a sec. Sorry, I had to get that one out first. Just finished playing Panther. They're like the... I love this team. Typical. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. 19 inches of venom. Welcome in, Eddies. Excuse me. Whatever. Real. Oh my god. Abandon the team. I was born ready. The Deadpool was good. personally. Fuck, you didn't hear that.
30 seconds.
Excuse me. That's my bad. Excuse me. Buddy. Fuck, that didn't help. Excuse me. In the future. Exactly. Excuse me. Oh my god. Eat of my own drum. Fucking hell.
30 seconds. Get ready.
This team can be fine without me for 5 seconds. I can tell you. Excuse me. We care about like the naked women skins. Excuse me. Oh, thank you, Nico. I'm gonna burp. Jesus. You know? You didn't hear that.
Spy Master, I've been hearing so much about.
Excuse me. Excuse me. They might be in the basement. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's normal. Excuse me. Her name is Kissy Missy. Can begin. Jesus. How long till the season ends? 13 kids. Huh? That's me right now. Interesting. But at the same time, you know,
You'll need
that Deadpool better not blame me. I like how my tune. I think you do. Ugh, sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know. That's my version of.
Will you come with me? Yeah.
Fuck no. My god. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't think that's a good idea. Excuse me. Excuse me. What the fuck? Pull the lever. Probably. Barrel. Excuse me. Anyway. I don't even know. I meant to check the why does it say I've got I am wearing? Hi, Urko. You didn't hear that. At least I thought they were. I had that coming. Excuse me. I'll give everything for him. You know?
Lies in the hands of some.
I'm glad. You didn't hear that. Rocket. I forgot you said that. Ugh. Must have heard that, I'm pretty sure. Not chimichurri. Go and deal with him then. No, we're not.
Excuse me. Who am I gonna team to win this one? Agents of
Excuse
One. You'll need it.
I see. Fuck. For some reason. Maybe it's just like the way the hair is. I'm not really good at measurements. Don't worry about that. I hate it so much. That's my boy Jeff. I blame the thaw. It's bad. Fuck you. Excuse me. Jesus Christ.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hydration check. Let me hydrate. That wasn't hydration. I didn't do that. Research. I feel like I should have. Excuse me. Excuse me. Coming here for the drops? Anyway. Not in the same people, are we? No, I don't think we are. I did nothing for this team. Fuck. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jump that healers. I was at a time-ish. Stop playing. That went out to the healers. You can't even blame, honestly, Sam. Excuse me. Staying in European servers. Excuse me. Was Luna banned? 15 is a new season. 15? No one cares about quick play. I'm gonna get someone. Break time? Oh, I threw up again.
Hey, I think I'm getting. I wonder if I had a family, but G3 fucked me up.
Thank you. Okay, Bounty Hunter, so let me explain. Gatlas was I.
You're welcome.
Return home. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm dying. Excuse me. Any value. Excuse me. Team. Excuse me. You didn't hear that.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Nuts. Excuse me. Oh, might as well be photo. You didn't hear that. Awkward looking. Look at the goals you set out for yourself. It was kind of broken.
Capture the mission area. Got it?
Excuse me.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this?
That didn't help my case. Yeah,
Extra shielding.
no better. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, Naruto. I can hear you. Bullshit.
Better stop that vehicle.
Wham, wham, wham. Fucking Spidey.
Energy is powerful.
What time is it, Ben? It's clubbering. I saw clips and edits of that. I didn't actually watch it. Give it the London special.
As X-Men old.
It's just at 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Excuse me.
I grew up with that.
Enemy dino about to eat good shit. If I... And that's kind of how I learned to draw.
Just like me. You have a fully organized Spider-Man.
You didn't hear that. I hate those squids. And Daredevil. Because why not? I mean... I gotta burp. Mods ban him. Good map. For who, though? In my tummy. Anyway. I was trying not to burp.
Greetings, Captain.
Between Wakanda and Krakoa.
On a show!
That's the honest answer. Anyway. And apparently a lot of beds. Skin inversion?
Excuse me. You want to be today?
Agent.
Excuse. Give me your forehead. Excuse me. My bad though. You know, even when I do ult,
You make me sound like a terrible.
I also might be stupid though. But this. Sorry. Excuse me.
I am
That's all that torch is getting.
Body and soul.
Then join, of course you can. Excuse me. I'm not really good at
Help for anything.
Ah, what the fuck?
Control lost.
The point where I am. Oh shit, that's nowhere to greet a new follower. Oh, do you?
Everyone.
What would the Disney Pixar movie? Prejudice is the other time. If I had a lot of money. We'll find a way to ban you. Have you eaten? Turns out I needed a bit of water. I mean, it's not water. We won't be back tomorrow.